Many people made fun of his age and questioned his talent. But now, this 14 years old boy proved just how talented he is. Even top cricketers expert in the game were seeing celebrating his success. Although he got out later and was seen crying like a child, understandable for his young age, it showed how much the movement meant to him. His name is Vaibhav Suryavanshi and he has made a big impact in the IPL. Despite being mocked for his age and doubted for his talent, Vaibhav showed the world what he is capable of. Even though he got out and became emotional, that natural for a child with a big dreams. Vaibhav was joined the IPL and while getting out may have broken his heart a little. He won everyone's heart with his powerful debut. He started his IPL journey with a bang, hitting a six in the very first ball against a strong team chasing a big target of 181. Opening the innings with Yashasvi Jaiswal, Vaibhav did not let the pressure get to him. Instead of playing it safe, he smashed a six over cover of Shardul Thakur, showing that he belongs on this big stage. Having talent is one thing, but handling pressure and performing under it, that's temperament, and Vaibhav has it. He followed up with another six of Avesh Khan. Everyone, including top commentators and former cricketers, were stunned to see such a bold and confident shots of Vaibhav Suryavanshi. He is only 14 years of age. Even Rahul Dravid, who usually stays reserved, was seen smiling and celebrating Vaibhav's success. Proud of young talent his team has nurtured. This reaction shows how the Rajasthan Royals supported and promote young players like Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Cricketers legends like Ajay Jadeja, Akash Chopra and others praised him. Despite being emotional after getting out, his tears reflected the passion and the heart he brought to the game. But even without it, he left a lasting impression. His powerful debut showed that greatness can be seen early. A glimpse of greatness started in the childhood. That's why cricket experts are already fan of his. Akash Chopra said he is the future Suryavanshi, while Harsha Bhogle noted that age doesn't matter. Vaibhav showed no fear on a big stage. Irfan Pathan also admired him, adding a heart emoji, showing how deeply Vaibhav touched everyone. A new star has risen in the cricket world. Though young, his techniques, his temperament and the talent has a long career ahead. At the just 14, he has become the youngest player to debut in the IPL. Hopefully, this debut is just a trailer and the full picture is yet to come. If he keeps playing with this fearless attitude, he could go far. What did you think of Vaibhav Suryavanshi batting in this IPL debut? Share your thoughts and comments and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Meet you in the next IPL match update.